Woodlark. Woodlarks feel facts. Their scientific name is Lulu arborea. Their status is scarce resident breeding species and summer migrant. Breeding birds 3,100 pair. There are more than 3,000 breeding pairs of woodlark. Their conservation status is green or least concern. They are from the family of larks. Their length is about 13 to 15 centimeter. Their wingspan is 25 to 27 to 30 centimeter and it weighs about 25 to 35 grams. And you wouldn't believe that their average lifespan is 3 years. It is found mainly in Europe, the mountains of northern Africa and western Asia. The woodlark is present across much of its range. A songbird, the woodlark has a melodious, warbling song often described onomatopically, lululu, or more precisely as serious lululu, tulet, tulet, tuluet. Woodlark is more compact and smaller striped brown passerine than skylark, with a remarkably short tail, a distinctive piebald arrangement of feathers at the bend of the wing, and crucially, a primary lobe of less than half the exposed tertial length.
If I'm not wrong, it is 13.5 to 15 centimeter long bird, slightly smaller than the skylark, being roughly 20% shorter. It has a very short tail, stumpy,